Display solutions designed to sell fresh food are the core of what Structural Concepts does. Making sure the fresh food you offer your customers is safe should be the last thing on your mind, because it's the first thing on ours. We're committed to providing the most reliable and highest quality temperature-controlled displays. Manufactured from start to finish in Muskegon, Michigan and shipped nationally, the Oasis refrigerated and heated self-service case provides a vertical combination of grab-and-go, refrigerated and heated display. Designed with self-contained refrigeration that affords operators the flexibility to relocate the merchandiser to different areas and individually controlled heated shelf temperature, allowing more diversity in what products are held and to what degree. There is a lot of greatness packed into this small footprint fresh food merchandiser for both refrigerated and heated foods. Let's take a deeper look. All levels of the Oasis are ADA compliant to ensure the ease of access for anyone. The Oasis will easily fit where you can maximize ease and convenience for both customers and staff with its plug-and-play features, and it's perfect for online order pickup, high impulse buying options at checkout, and integration in prepared food programs. A 21-amp, 110-volt connection is needed to power the Oasis. Once plugged in, the Oasis has individually controlled heated shelves to control the temperature of a variety of products. All of the shelves are lighted to accentuate the products and create maximum visual appeal. The shelving in every Oasis unit is adjustable for any product size, and the rear access helps save time in restocking and keeps rotation of product easy to assure freshness. There are no tools required to access the refrigeration and control system. The refrigeration condenser easily slides out for cleaning and should be cleaned monthly. One of the key points of the Oasis? On board the Oasis is the hot gas condenser pan. There is no need to install a floor drain or remove defrosted water, saving you thousands in costs and time. Any color is available for the external laminate, and inside the Oasis, you can choose black or stainless steel as a finish. The Oasis comes with a 1-year parts and labor warranty, as well as a 5-year compressor warranty. Talk to your representative from Structural Concepts today about adding this versatile, profitable, and easy-to-operate unit to your services today.